Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Practically it could be almost any Hyundai vehicle guys. And if you want to see how to test AC pressure switch and how AC pressure switch can actually make your AC compressor not to work, stay with us. We're going to explain all that as we go. Very simple test and you will be able to determine if your AC pressure switch is working or not. Now, before we start, let me tell you, even though we're working on a Hyundai Sonata, the video should be helpful on most Hyundai models, and some of those could be Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster and Accent as well. So let's go ahead and explain how to test AC pressure switch. So, let me guys introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix up almost anything on these vehicles guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your car for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. And another thing, if those modern vehicles, they're pretty complicated guys, quite a bit of electronics. If you want to learn how to do diagnostics, fix electrical components, work on your car even more, check out this channel guys that we have developed. It's called Electrical Car Repair Life. We have videos that can save you guys practically thousands of dollars. So you can see we specifically have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll demonstrate on. When you open the hood, you need to locate, okay, you can see that's the fuel plug for the this is for high pressure, this is low pressure. The low pressure is usually the thicker pipe. This is on the high pressure line. Usually guys, you will have, okay, you're going to have AC pressure switch. This switch right here, it will be installed somewhere on the AC lines. You need to follow them. It could be towards the back. We've seen some models as well. What's the purpose of that switch? Pretty simple. Once you press the button inside to turn the AC on, what will happen? The engine computer needs to figure out if you have enough Freon in the system to safely activate the compressor clutch, which is right there. This is the compressor. The clutch is by the belt, and you can even see that better right here. Because if you don't have enough Freon, what can easily happen, guys? It will lock up the AC compressor. It will not work after that, or you can cause damage, guys. If you have too much pressure to the AC system as well. So the purpose of that switch is to determine the pressure in the AC system, and it's very accurately determining that, guys. So when those things quit, often guys, okay, often what will happen, they just don't show any readings once you test them. So how you can test them now? Let's explain. We have a charging port right here connecting, okay, with a Freon, and we just added a little bit so you can see, okay, it's not in minimum, it's at 10 psi on the low pressure side, but low and high pressure side usually will differ, okay. But I want to show you now, guys, okay, make sure that you have Freon in the system. It's not empty. If it's empty, the switch will show 0, like it's broken. So if you have Freon, okay, and then what you need to do on your Hyundai vehicle, guys, okay, let us show you now. You need to turn the ignition switch on to where all the lights are on. Okay, let me turn the light off so you can see. Perfect. Now, this is the computer that we'll be using. I'll just plug it in. You need to find the OBD port on your Hyundai vehicle. Okay, right there. So now, what do we need to do? Okay, we need to load the program. That computer is amazing, guys. It can pay itself off in one-time use, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below where we got it from. It's definitely worth the investment, guys. So now, if you look at it, guys, okay, it supports all these vehicles. Practically, you can work on almost any car you can think of. The other cool thing about that system is that you can read codes, delete codes, and see live data for every computer system in your Hyundai vehicle, which makes it super convenient because it's almost like a dealer level equipment without the programming and the active tests. But you can still do quite a few tests, okay, and we'll explain how. So we can click Hyundai, or what you can do, there is another thing that you can do actually. Let me go back. I want to show you. You can just click VIN detection. It's going to detect the VIN number on that Hyundai vehicle. You ask us to confirm a few things. Okay, that's the correct VIN number. Okay, next we're going to go ahead, select USA edition, 2012 model, but it's a 2013 according to the title. Control unit, engine right here, and now under engine, guys, you need to select live data, and you're going to see how many components you can see there. Watch all the parameters that you can see: engine speeds, oil temperatures, you can check the variable timings, brake switches, all that stuff. So you can see there is 146 parameters that you need to see. But you need to find the one that says AC pressure, guys, AC pressure. And as you can see, ours right now, okay, it's at 27.5. You can even open different graphs and see if it goes up or down. And you can see ours is definitely, guys, working switch, otherwise it's going to be stuck at 0. And if you add a little bit more Freon, that number should climb. In addition, guys, okay, if you connect a high pressure gauge to the high pressure port, okay, that number here and the high pressure reading should match. So that's how you guys determine that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.